my name's Brendan Green. I'm the CEO of Hire A Hubby, Australia's largest handyman franchise business. If this is your first time here, follow our Hire A Hubby channel. For real, no hype, honest videos and advice from our hubbies, we'll show you what it's like to be a hubby and discuss franchise ownership. Meet our trade and service partners, discover some of our resale opportunities, as well as share real life stories along the way. Start now by subscribing to our YouTube channel so you don't miss a thing.
So this is my second conference, and what I really love about the Hire A Hubby conference is the vibe.
The benefits of being the group, everyone around it. So
Always hearing new things and new opportunities.
At the conference is, I think, the fact of networking.
Like, everyone's having a great time, everyone's really friendly.
a lot of knowledge, you get a lot of people you can learn from and share from and share experience. So
Meeting other Hire A Hubbies and seeing what they go through.
Tapping into the collective wisdom of the room.
you're not alone, which is, I guess, for me, been good being a newbie.
Trade show, seeing products that are out there.
It's connecting, it's learning, and it's just having a good time.
All the different suppliers, so certainly learning some new products, new information. It's all stuff that'll go back and help us out.
Networking at once the conference is finished, the drinks and the food, and just letting your guard down and having a bit of fun.
Location is really good. It's really nice to go somewhere different where you can disconnect, get out of your head, and actually just soak up the vibe and the learning.
Yeah, definitely the people, finally getting to meet a lot of the people that I've spoken to and not seen previously.
Going around to each supplier and just seeing what new products are out there and what products do. Very educational and informative.
So if you're a new hubby entering our business and you don't know what to expect at a trade show, this is exactly what goes on. Our sales department can lead you through different scenarios, but here it is all live for you to see what we do. It really is amazing, and every room that we've booked is chock-a-block full of exhibitors. We're on the DeWalt stand here, and Alexander, who's a technical salesperson, going through the range of the tools with the Hubbies. Again, great brands, great products, and this is what we again aspire to get for you, the hubby. So I'm with Paul Hood from Makita. Came down, we surveyed our crowd. Fantastic supporters Hire A Hubby are of Makita. Quality tools, all the service, backup, technical representation that you could want, all here. Our training rooms are all AEG. The technical backup that these guys give us is just above and beyond. How have you found this year's show so far, mate?
Yeah, great, Rod. It's a great chance to catch up with all the hubbies in one spot. Many of them, in fact, who use our platform, we catch up throughout the year on site. We know them through our job sites, but it's been really good to get them all in one spot in sort of a more relaxed environment, have a bit more time than sort of the day-to-day when everyone's rushed on the job.
So we're on the Sickest stand. They've just done a 5-hour course on waterproofing and epoxy resins. We're here, we've got Chris and Olivia on the stand, still talking about the product range. Great supporters of Hire A Hubby. It's the technical emphasis of what Sika give back to the group. How are you finding the interaction this year, because you came along last year? How are you finding it?
Amazing, love these sessions, they're really good. Customers are asking lots of questions, so yeah, really fabulous.
Yep. Online backup, ring up.
Absolutely, FaceTime with them.
Really?
Absolutely. We do local training sessions. We've already had some of the guys that have done FaceTime with Andy as well. So
great.
Yeah, we're just here to help.
So we're here on the Spot On Lasers site. The array of equipment here for a handyman is phenomenal. You got Mark here with his lovely wife. They know all their products inside out. The backup is fantastic, and you can see the interaction here. Just if you're a newbie, if you're a new guy coming into Hire A Hubby, what more could you ask for?